In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your mobile number on your PayPal profile. If you want a little more privacy on your account, this is a quick setting you can adjust directly from your profile options. The process is simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, sign into your PayPal account and look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon, which is the shortcut to your account settings. Go ahead and click that icon to open the settings area. Once you're in settings, find the account tab and select it. This section contains the main details related to your profile and account information, so this is where you'll be able to make visibility changes like this one. After opening the account tab, look for your profile section. In that area, click on Manage. This will take you to the part of your profile where you can review and update the information connected to your account. Now locate your mobile number setting. You should see a switch or visibility option next to it. To hide your mobile number on your PayPal profile, simply disable that switch. Once it's turned off, your mobile number will no longer be shown on your profile. And that's it. The change is quick, and it's a useful option if you want to limit what information appears on your profile. If you don't see the exact same wording on your screen, keep in mind that PayPal may slightly update the layout or labels over time, but the setting is usually still found within the same general account and profile area. It's also a good idea to double-check that the switch remains off after making the change, just to confirm that your preference has been saved properly. Small privacy settings like this can make a difference if you want more control over the personal information connected to your account. That's all you need to do to hide your mobile number on your PayPal profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.